here today to hand over the site for our student village that will be done in the next 2 weeks. So the site has been handed over and we look forward to having nice students. Student village is not an ordinary hostel. We are talking about a village or buildings that have all that it takes to make a student's life experience at the university comfortable. I'm told there are so many amenities that are associated with that, and we look forward to having the groundbreaking ceremony done not very long from now. And as it was said, in the next 52 weeks, we look forward to having the hostels. But what is exciting to me is that we have buildings and a village that will not only enhance the quality of life for the students here, but one that will also attract international students, and that goes a long way in our internationalization agenda and our vision of inclusivity and borderlessness. We have an active student population of 24,000 plus. And the 24,000 plus, we only accommodate 500 of them. The rest live in the neighborhood. What we know is that the accommodation could be there, but the quality of the accommodation in the neighborhood and the access to other things, including internet, including good water for drinking, and other things may not be there. So what we are talking about is alleviating a serious problem that is here in this project. This is a government project within the university. It will accommodate 1,600 out of 24,000 and the other numbers that will come. So the partnership between the government through the university and the private sector, that is the community that is constructing hostels around, still continues. So we'll always continue working. What happens is the government does its portion, but even the private sector in the community around here is encouraged to continue doing good and excellent facilities for students that are local and international.
Money for handing over our student hostel accommodation, 1,680 beds, among other infrastructure that come with the hostels and the buildings. We are glad to hand over the project. The contractor has 14 days to mobilize. We officially have handed in the site today. A lot of groundwork. We appreciate the university for having done. This is the geotech, this is the topo survey, and therefore we shall just do a little bit of mobilization from the part of the contractor. Our next meeting to the site or to the project should be in the 3rd week from now. So I expect the contractor right away to move to site. The time is ticking. We are counting his duration of the 53 weeks from today. This is a project funded from the Exchequer and Affordable Housing Fund that is now funding student accommodation to alleviate all those problems that the VC has talked about. This is public money from our taxpayers. This is not money that is borrowed. The money is there, and we all contribute to the kit through our taxes. Tema na ine torore.